Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fully customize your iPhone's lock screen in iOS 26 on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and tap and hold on the lock screen. You will see a customize button appear. Tap it and now you can change the wallpaper. You can pick from Apple's default wallpaper or your own photos or even create a photo shuffle that changes throughout the day. You can also add widgets below the clock like weather, calendar or fitness info, so you get important updates at a glance without unlocking your iPhone. Next, let's customize the clock style. Tap the clock and you can change the font, color and style. Pick something like bold, elegant or colorful weather to match your vibes. iOS 26 also lets you create multiple lock screens. Swipe left or right on a lock screen to switch between different setups for work, personal or special mode. Don't forget to get the focus mode link. Each lock screen can be linked to a focus mode. For example, you can have a calm wallpaper with minimal notifications for work and a fun wallpaper with all alerts for personal time. So that's it. With iOS 26, your lock screen isn't just for looks, it's a smart, customizable space. Try out wallpapers, visit clock styles and focus modes to make your iPhone truly yours. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.